Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and the time you're watching my video. You're all welcome to the channel. Yeah, today is a very good one. I came here to show you guys a very simple strategy that's been working very well for me with this correct score predicting website. Now what I'm about to show you guys, or what I'm about to teach you guys, is how you can make use of this website predicting correct score prediction or massive winning. How you can turn this your correct score prediction, as you can see here, into a big time winning ticket every single day you visit this website. So if you know that you want to start making a good amount of money, you want to start winning through sport betting, then kindly subscribe, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification bell, because all I do on this channel, I drop tips and updates on how we can beat the bookies hands down every single day. So first of all you just have to do, if you can look very okay, let me go to their yesterday correct score prediction so that we all understand it, and I'm going to do a live prediction using their correct score prediction so that most of you will understand it very well, because it's my duty to always give out the best for you guys being my subscribers. So if you have watched this video to this point and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and turn notification bell, because you are going to benefit a lot from this channel. So for those of you who are interested to join my VIP group, there's a link on the description. Just DM me on WhatsApp, and immediately we talk about the payment, and your payment is confirmed. You'll be added to the VIP group, and the VIP group winning is sure. But like I say, nothing, if you read my VIP group, nothing is 100% perfect. I'm not telling you that when you join my VIP group you'll be receiving 100% perfect game, but at least I give out 80% on my daily prediction, and every single day is a win ticket. Yes, in a week we do win 5 all over 7, sometimes 7 all over 7 in my group. So if you want to be part of that group, you can just check the description of this video to join my group. But mind you, it's not free, please. So let's go down to the business of the day. Now on this correct score predicting website, as you can see, this was their yesterday prediction. If you look down here, this website was able to predict this match, Everton versus West Ham, 1-0, but at the end of the match ended with 1-1. Yes, 1-1. So people should pay good attention to what I'm about to show you guys, because if you skip any part of this video, you are going to likely miss out the most important part of this video, and you'll start commenting on, you'll start telling me that you don't know, you don't understand it because you skipped the video. Now let's use this Everton first of all to let me explain further on it. Now this website was able to predict Everton. As you can see here, they were able to predict Everton correct score. You watch here, they predicted it 1-0, but unfortunately the match ended with 1-1 here. So that means they lost the correct score of 1-0 which they predicted. But this is how we make use of this website for massive win. Now let me check another one so that you guys should take note of that. Okay, now if you watch on this Everton, you guys should pay good attention. You watch on this Everton here, 4% carry 11.7, 6% carry 7, which is Everton to win 1-0, 7 to score 1-1 is 7.5. Under this, people should pay attention to this play that I'm showing you guys. If you watch here, we have 6%, and on top we have 7.5. We have 6% here, and on top we have 7.5. You can look up here. You see their prediction up here with this what I'm showing you guys now. If you look up here, Everton to score 2-1, you see this at 6%, but on top you see something like 8. So you guys should pay attention to that. Now let me use this other match also. This is Parma versus Torino. Now if you watch here carefully, the website predicted this match to end 1-1, but unfortunately the match ended 2-1 in favor of Parma. Parma win Torino 2-1. That was yesterday. Now if you watch very closely here, 0-0 here is at 6%. You will notice that it's 7.45, and away is 6%. That is at 0 is to 1. And if you notice here is 7.5, and home is 1.0, and if you notice here is 7, and 1-1 is 5.5. You guys should pay attention to all these plays I'm showing you guys, because this is when we are going to draft out our strategy from. Now if you watch on this play, we have 10, and the prediction they highlighted correct score was 2-1. So you guys, and it's 4%. You guys should pay good attention. Okay, now let me use this one. Now if you look here, Genoa versus Lazio, Now this website was able to predict this correct score as 1-1, but unfortunately they lost it because the correct score, the actual correct score for this match was 3-0, which is Lazio wins 3-0. Now if you watch very closely on the second, if you watch very closely, 0-0 here. 0-0 here on top here, you see that it's 7% and it's 6. Then away to win, that is 0-1. That is the highlighted correct score. 0-1 is 6.5 and it's 7% here. Now 0-2 is 11 and it's 4%. And 1 is to 0 is 6.5 and 1 is 5.5. Now you guys should take very good note on this stuff. Now if you notice on their highlighted prediction, you will find out that the highest the highest number tends to always dominate in the match. Now this is where we are going to apply our strategy from. Okay, let me go and make a live testing showing you guys what I'm talking about so that most of you will understand it. Now let's go over to today's correct score prediction so that you guys will understand it better. Now if you watch very closely here, they are giving us this match, Atlanta versus Club Brugge. I'm gonna use these two matches, these three matches or four to show you guys example. Now on this match, you notice Atlanta, the website has predicted it to end 1-1. That is the match to end 1-1. But on their highlighted correct score, if you notice the highlighted correct score here, you see that Atlanta to win 1-0 is 4%, but on top the number there is 10. 1-1, the number is 7.5, and Club Brugge to win 4%. You notice that is 1-2, and you look down here 10%. You notice that is 2-0. Now this is where the strategy needs to come from. All I just need to do is that I will go to my bookmaker. I'm going to go to my bookmaker. You can use any bookmaker, 1xBet, Sporty, but I normally love using Sporty whenever I want to do any kind of precise, because their start is well understandable to me than any other bookies. So on this, let me log in first so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Now let me look for the Atlanta versus where is that match? Where is it? Okay, let me search for it. So you guys should pay attention. You guys should pay good attention because a lot of you is going to win with what I'm about to show you. Atlanta. Now let us bring out the match. Now let me look for the match. Atlanta versus Club Brugge. Where is it? Let me look for it. Let me check for it again. Sorry guys. Atlanta. Okay. Atlanta versus Club Brugge. So let it load. Please don't skip any part of this video, please, so that you guys will not make any mistakes. Watch me carefully and you guys should watch very carefully and see what I'm about to do. Maybe I will use just one of these. Here is the match. You watch, here is the match. Here was the match that the predicting website give out. Now, if you look closely here, let me go to the correct score section of this match. Now, on the correct score section of this match, where is the correct score section of the match? Now, here is the correct score. Now, if you notice on the correct score, the website predicted that the match is going to end 1-1, the one that you are seeing highlighted here, and the odds is 7.40 odd. Now, ever looking at their normal prediction, you notice that they are not that good in giving out accurate, the exact correct score of the match. But when you look at this, they are highlighted. Let me show you guys. That is why I was telling you guys you pay good attention. But if you look at this, they are highlighted correct score. This one that is on the top here, that is showing 1-0, 1-1, 1-2, 2-0, 2-1. Now, if you look on top of this percentage that is down here, you notice 4%, 6%, 4%, 4%, 5%. Now, on top of this percentage, you notice a number that is on top of it. Now, how you are going to simply apply strategy like this is that you are going to look for the highest number in the highlighted in the percentage, the number that is highlighted in your highest. then you are going to go and check the correct score that is given in that highlighted, and that is what you are going to play. I'm not telling you that you are going to play it as correct score, but rather you are going to use it as either the team to win or to draw. Like in the case of this Atlanta, they are giving us a correct score of 1-1, but I'm not going to play this match 1-1 correct score, because of when I look at their previous correct score, the website is not good, it's not that good in giving out the exact correct score. But this is what I do. Now on this Atlanta correct score, I noticed that 1:0 and 1-1 and 1:2 and 2:0 and 2:1. You guys can see what I'm showing you guys. Now on the abbreviated numbers here, now we have 4%, 6%, 4%, 4%, 5%. Now on this 4% that is highlighted 1:2, you notice that the number is bigger than any other number. The number there is 11, while 2:0 is 10. So in this kind of match, what I'm going to play on this match, I'm not going to play the correct score, but rather I'm going to come over here and play it. I'm going to come over here and play it away, win or draw, or I can handicap away. I can literally handicap away 3-0, away 3-0, because if you notice away 1:2 is at 11 and 2:0 for home is at 10. So the best option for this is I'm going to handicap this match 0. I handicap it 0:3 in favor of home. So what is that trying to tell you is that this match, Atlanta, with this winning result, they are not going to win these people completely. It's either they will be a draw match on this game. So now let me use another example to show you guys, so that most of you will really understand what I'm trying to do here. Now the second match here is between the second match that they have here. I just need today's matches. And the second correct score is between Real Madrid and DC. Now if you look at Real Madrid, we have 6%, 5%, 4%, 4%, and under 6% we have 7.5, the highlighted percentage, and the highlighted correct score is 0:2, 7% is 0:3, 8% is 0:4, 11% is 0:5, and 10% is 1:5, and we have 0:5, and the highlighted percentage here is 11. So how am I going to play this match? I'm going to simply play in favor of Real Madrid. I'm going to play in favor of Real Madrid. Real Madrid. Let me search for the match. I'm going to play this match in favor of Real Madrid. So you can see it here. You can see the match here. Real Madrid. Instead of me to take the exact the exact correct score for this match, which is 3-0, which is away 3-0 in favor of Real Madrid, I'm going to simply play this match direct home to win, or I double chance in favor of Real Madrid. That is, it's either I will play Real Madrid to win like this, or I will just, for the safety, if I'm to stake high, for the safety of my ticket, I'm just going to leave away to win and go straight to draw or away to win, because Real Madrid is either they will draw it or they are going to win this match. I want to be sure. If you look at my previous game that I've shown you guys, if you guys were following up, you will notice it. And guys, I've used this sequence, and all this match you are seeing here was being selected from this particular strategy that I just show you guys just right now. I just use it to select all this match that you guys are seeing here. I use it for that strategy, and this strategy is what I use in getting all these match that you guys are seeing here. And I'm going to place a bet on it, and we are going to see the booking code and see later we can then check the outcome of this match, if actually it was a successful one or not. I guys getting me? We are going to check if actually it was a successful one or not. Now looking at this match here, sorry, I'm saying something that times 2. I'm coming. There's something that maybe I play too much the same time, so let me remove one match that I played 2 times so that I can place bet on this. I'm looking for which match is this, which of the match that is making this game to look. I'm coming, guys. Now if you look here, you notice that I have a total odd of 4 point something odd from this match. This match give me a total match of you have selected contingent outcome. I don't know why they're showing me that I've selected contingent outcome, or which I don't really understand it. But let me look for what they mean by I've selected this thing. I haven't selected any game twice now. Myself, I haven't selected any game twice. Apart from this Real Madrid that I put in Atlanta, I didn't select any game twice. Okay, let me remove this Real Madrid and check if it is Real Madrid that is making this to be showing me this way. Let me remove this Real Madrid match. Let me check it. Oh, it's still showing me the same thing. It's still showing me that I've selected. Okay, guys. So I don't know why they are showing me this. Maybe I don't know if it's from the system, because this is all prediction that I gotten from this website. And if you look very well, you notice that here is the Atlanta match. Both if you go to today, you see all these match. They are all there. Let me show you guys so that you guys can also confirm from yourself, and also you can see Real Madrid, Tottenham, we have Ajax, we have Atletico Madrid, we have Liverpool. As you guys can see, we have Inter Milan, Chelsea, Benfica. And if you come to my ticket selection here, you also notice that all these matches have been selected through this strategy. So you can do well to visit this website and also apply this strategy that I'm showing you guys right now. And I tell you the truth that you'll be winning with this strategy if you know how to use it. But if you are not good in focusing, if you are not good in focusing and you want to join my group, then you can literally DM me on the comment section. You found a link to my WhatsApp, then you can DM me, and once you DM me, we'll talk on the price, and once you pay, you'll be added to my group. And in my group, I do analysis and well research game, and I post it on the group, and you get the booking code, let your friend find me. So that's it. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell. And here is the bet I've placed on this strategy, guys. As you can see here, I've placed my bet on this strategy. So see you guys on my next video.